Assalamu alaikum, dear social work students. I trust you're well by the grace of Almighty Allah and ready for the exciting journey ahead. Today, I'm here to discuss something pivotal to your degree program, a stepping stone toward becoming remarkable social work professionals. It's that time when theories meet reality, classroom discussions transform into hands-on experiences, and you step into the shoes of a true social work practitioner. Are you prepared? Because I'm thrilled to guide you through this journey. Imagine this: you've grasped social work theories, ethics, and strategies in the classroom. Now, it's time to apply that knowledge. Practicum serves as the bridge that connects your learning to real-world challenges. It's your opportunity to create a tangible impact and grow personally and professionally. Now, let's talk groups. We're talking about teams of 5 to 6 passionate individuals, embarking on this journey together. It's more than just numbers, it's about fostering a supportive and collaborative environment where each brings a unique perspective. Options are vast, from medical social services units to community development projects, residential care institutions, even engaging with non-governmental civil society organizations. The buffet of opportunities is yours to explore, aligning with your passion. The secret to group success: it's not just skills, it's attitude. Successful groups thrive on mutual understanding and teamwork. Combining diverse strengths and respecting viewpoints creates the magic. Mark your calendars, remember August 17, 2023. This is the deadline to submit your field group lists. Collaborate, coordinate, and ensure your lists reach us on time. Submission made easy. Send an email to arshad.dsw@pu.edu.pk. Include group members' names and contact details. It's that simple. Your practicum is a stepping stone. It's not just a checkbox. It's the path to becoming compassionate, impactful social work professionals. I'm here to support your journey, ensuring it's both rewarding and transformative. Questions or assistance? I'm an email away. Your curiosity is your guide. Thank you for your dedication. Together, let's create a positive impact, making a difference in the lives we touch. Stay motivated and enthusiastic. Let's embark on this remarkable journey of social work practicum. Warm regards. Muhammad Arshad Abbasi, Program Coordinator, Social Work Practicum, University of the Punjab, Lahore.